House Atreides out. Nobody knows what that means.
What he said.
God, fighter jets flying out.
Hey Siri, how do you pronounce differentiate? Different. Capping it off with some photos over here. I don't know what it is about the center print for me, you guys. A lot of people don't like it, but I think it's super hard.
You guys are joining a group of people from various backgrounds, from military, first responders, students, to professional athletes. All of us are working towards the same goal, to become the best versions of ourselves and inspire others along the way.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, you guys. I just kind of wanted to just come on here and yap to you guys about perfection. Like, I want to look back on my life and know that all of it wasn't for nothing. So that's the strategy going into 2025, and I just want you guys to know that if I could go back, I would focus on less perfection. Oh, I need a fancy camera. Oh, I need the latest iPhone. I need this or that. I want to leave you guys with this idea before we move on to the next part of this video. But if you had 200 people, you only get 200, 100 views on your video. If you had that many people in a room listening to you, like, half y'all would probably shit the bed, but if you're prepared for that, then it's gonna show, right? It's like when you get anxiety for something that you're about to go into, whether it be a fight or a test, like, if you didn't properly train yourself, that's why you're feeling like that. So take that idea and roll it into your life. Go into work with the confidence of knowing, oh, I know how to run this system, or I know how to do that. Do it professionally, because at the end of the day, nobody's better than anybody else. There's no difference between me and you guys, truly. You know, I thought about it. I'm like, should I just wait? Like, my truck's kind of dirty. This is a wide angle. You can see everything. I don't care. Honestly, I'm moving. This is what my life looks like right now, and I want y'all to get the real raw footage of Isaiah, and I want to look back on this and just see the growth, and what gets measured gets improved, and this is another way I'm going to measure myself and measure my life so that I can continue to improve it. So see y'all in the second half of this video.
So right now we're headed to Fort Casey on Whidbey Island. I'm cosplaying as Duke Leto Atreides from the movie Dune, played by Oscar Isaac, and I'm just really excited to be in a costume that's warm.
Seriously, it's freezing.
So much better than any spandex costume. I got pants, pockets, and a coat. And it does this.
So we made it out to the fucking field with the fucking cannons. Look at that big ass cannon.
That thing is actually massive.
Cannon in a jet? Bro, that's the most American shit. How more American can you get?
There was like an eagle.
Yo, thank you guys if you made it this far in the video. Come for the freelance work, stay for the fitness, and we got some finance at the end. You guys gonna show you guys the trade, where we're at. It's not looking good, let me tell you that. But transparency, that's what y'all are gonna get here at this channel. So if you're not subscribed, do that shit right now, bro. But yeah, we made it to the gym, did a little bit of work with Jay. We went up to Whidbey Island. It was a mob and I was freaking exhausted, but we did it. Here's the videos that we ended up dropping. And yeah, just one opportunity leads to another. For you freelancers out there, I don't want to say take every single job, because if it's not something that is going to push you in the way that you want to go, then I would leave it alone. For example, like clubs, not really my type of scene anymore. I'll do it here and there for good friends, but if it's an event at a club, I'll probably stay away from it, because at the end of the day, you're putting yourself in those environments, and whichever ones they are, they're going to provide different opportunities. For example, I worked at the Seattle Auto International Show, car stuff, car shit, car people hit me up, right? So club stuff, club people going to hit you up, gem stuff, like, really, that's what you're picking your niche is all about. So here at the gym, gonna shoot a little bit of content. Got a couple new fits from the brand. As you can see, we got the new performance tees with our new logo. Got a new beanie here, and then rocking the old school stuff. So if y'all are interested in supporting the brand, links are down below. as well as Jay's links and my links for my other socials. So stay tuned. What's up, you guys? So we just finished up our chest workout. I was about to leave, but then I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go back and get this content. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things how to increase your bench. Bench, for whatever reason, has always been one of my stronger lifts. So first things first, I'm a dumbbell type of guy. And then if you really want to strengthen your chest, I would start with your upper. It's a lot harder than just going flat. So hit your upper first, and then go flat. You could always like mix and match. 1 week start flat. I would at least give yourself 2 weeks that your body can adjust. 2 weeks incline, 2 weeks flat, and then kind of play around with it. So I already did my whole last chest workout, so I'm literally just gonna give you guys some pointers on like how to set up. Some mistakes that I see very common working here at the gym, and a movement that one of my powerlifting friends shared with me that I know for damn sure helped me increase my lift. So here we go. So first things first, you guys, like keep your feet planted. I see a lot of people hopping like this. They get hype about the lift, but that's causing energy leaks. If the weight goes one way and your feet aren't planted, you're not gonna be able to really control that movement left or right. So keep them planted, nice wide stance. You should be squeezing your glutes, arching your back right there, and your shoulder blades retracted and touching as you can see it. And then when you're going down, the wider out your elbows are right here, the more of your outer pec you're hitting right here. If you bring it in a little bit, you're recruiting a little bit more triceps. So try to find a good happy medium to where you're feeling the contraction at the top of your chest, and you're also not using too much shoulders, but recruiting a little bit of triceps, because that's what they're there for. All right, y'all, so this is another one that helped me increase my bench. So over 3 plates. It's called the Russian press, and all it is that you're pressing without your feet. So keep them up like this. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes, retracting your shoulder blades still, getting that arch in your back, and really just controlling it the whole way. But this will take away your lower body from it, so you'll actually have to recruit a little more upper. But you should still be squeezing and contracting, really trying to control that weight, making sure you're not shifting from left to right.
Yo, what's up, you guys? Back at the crib. So that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Just finishing up some final touches on the edit right here. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, if you didn't, drop a like, drop a comment. It really helps out the channel, and it'll ultimately push it out to more people so that maybe we can reach that one person who does need this information. So perfection is your worst enemy, you guys. I've held off so long on this freaking channel because of it, and I'm done. I'm sick of myself. I'm pushing it out, whether it hits, whether it doesn't. I can always go back and look at this and once again see that growth curve of myself. Me just really putting myself out there, walking around with the camera in public. I've been doing this for years, and I still get a little bit nervous. So, you know, consistency over time, consistently over time, that's the only way you get better at anything. So, yep, did a little workout too. I personally use the Whoop because what gets measured gets improved, baby. So we track our sleep, we track our workouts, and tracking this trade right now, it's in a huge loss. It's unrealized, so I'm not much of a day trader. For those of y'all that watched the last video, 2 different positions. That was a spot position, and this is one of my trading accounts right here. Crypto has always been pretty well feared, but now we have Donald Trump stepping into office. We saw Bitcoin hit an all-time high last night, right before midnight. So a lot of good things coming to crypto, and we will definitely be talking about them in this channel, you guys. So if you didn't have the chance to go look at my last video and see that spot position where I'm planning to make the biggest return on my investment this bull market, I highly recommend you guys go back and watch that video. But that's pretty much gonna be it, y'all. In the next video, got some new products. I'm gonna show you guys how I get some pictures, how I throw it on the website, and how I plan to market it so that I could see a return on that investment. So hope y'all learned something. See y'all in the next one.